Introducing the upgraded HEIGH10 radio replacement kit for Jeep Wranglers. Made for Jeep Wrangler JK models from 2011 to 2018. This kit has everything you need to completely upgrade your Jeep Wrangler radio. Specifically designed for the stunning Stinger HEIGH10 10-inch touchscreen display and infotainment system. A completely plug-and-play harness makes installation super easy while retaining your Jeep's factory controls. A custom-fit dash kit designed to make your Jeep look like it rolled off the factory floor with a HEIGH10 already in it. And dual USB ports that can be flush-mounted by replacing your 12-volt charger. Just follow our included installation guide to add amazing features like safe and convenient Bluetooth hands-free calling and streaming audio, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, where you can send and receive messages and phone calls, listen to music and podcasts, and access your phone's navigation apps all from your radio. And of course, no car infotainment system would be complete without safety features. This system includes four camera inputs. You can add a backup camera, 2 side view cameras, and a front camera, or any combination of cameras. And if you purchase the optional micro SD card with offline map software, you'll get integrated GPS navigation from iGo for accurate and up-to-date maps and turn-by-turn navigation without needing a cell phone signal. And finally, for you audiophiles out there, this system is DSP ready and comes with a built-in high-power 4-channel amplifier providing 50 watts per channel, 4-volt 6-channel RCA outputs, subwoofer level control, Toslink fiber optic output, built-in crossover with high and low-pass filters, 15-band adjustable EQ with customizable presets. Ready to change the way you drive? Transform your Jeep Wrangler today with the Stinger HEIGH10 Radio Replacement Kit.